Oh, I'm freaking out. So this girl, as y'all know, I just got back from the race, by the way. So this girl, she wanted to do a collab with me. I made a video of my OC. She didn't get the bangs right because she couldn't find them, which I totally respect. It's fine. I don't care. But I am so happy to see the result. I just saw it on my laptop, and I commented on it on my phone because I can't because I'm not signed in on my laptop. And here's the result. Oh yeah, ignore Brady B over here.